Hi, this is your 2024-2025 West Bend Middle School Dance Team Makeup Look.
These are all the makeup products for this year. Okay, first we have the eyeshadow, then the lipstick, which is this color, and then the blush. And then you'll have to get your own eyeliner and mascara.
Okay, so this color is going on the base of your eyelid, and then this brown is going on your eyebrow crease. Then the gold shimmer is going on your eyelid, like over this color. And then the silver is going on the crease of your eye.
Okay, first we're going to do this pink color. And then, so what you're going to do is you're going to apply a lot and then go like that. And then you're going to just put it on the bottom like so. And then when you're done with that, you're going to grab a new brush. And then you're going to apply this one like so. And then make sure you don't have too much because then it'll turn up too dark. And then you're going to apply it up here like this throughout the whole thing. And then you're going to blend it too so it doesn't look weird. And then after that, you're going to take the very glittery one, this one, and put it all over. So it gives a nice glittery look.
You need a lot of this gold shimmer.
Yes, because then it'll look weird if it's only in a couple spots. So make sure it's everywhere. And then, in the end, you're going to take this color right there, and you're going to take it, and then you're going to put it in the crease right here. And make sure it all blends together.
Okay, so what you're going to do for your eyeliner is first you're going to make a dot in between your eyelid and your eyebrow, like right there. Then you can use tape if you want to, but we don't have it on us. So first you are going to do the eyelid, touching the eyelashes. Okay, now that we're finished, we're going to connect the line to the dot. So you're going to make your wing. Just like that.
Next, you'll be putting on the blush, and make sure it's a big brush with this blush. So you're going to go like this, and then you're going to blow it out. And then you're going to apply it on the cheekbone, just like this. And make sure you do this the same on each side. And it'll end up like this.
Lastly, you're going to put on your lipstick. This is what it looks like.
This is the final product that it should look like. This is the makeup look for the 2024-2025 West Bend Middle School Dance Team season. Thank you for watching.